Hey, glad you could join us. Let's take a look at solving two-step equations. Of course, we need our friends, right? The purple elephants that merrily dance after sunset. Or we could go and refer to our friends, the purple ears that make dairy animals super. Both of those are nice memory devices to remind us about PEMDAS, right? Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And of course, if we want to solve, however, we're going to actually go backward, right? We're going to want to reverse the order and undo the operations. So we will start by undoing the adding or subtracting. Then we'll undo any multiplying or dividing. Then we'll undo any exponent. And then finally, we'll undo anything inside parentheses using that same progression. Since these are two-step, we're going to probably not find ourselves getting much more beyond the adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Okay, so let's solve. Is there any adding or subtracting? Yes, there is. I want to undo the addition of 8. I'll subtract 8. Subtract 8 on one side. I got to subtract 8 on the other side to keep it balanced. 23 subtract 8 is 15. Now I can undo that multiplying by 5. Division by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. There we have an answer. Yay, answer! Hey, here's another example. Is there any adding or subtracting? Yes, there is. Let's undo that adding. Let's subtract. Opposite of adding 9 is subtracting 9. 4 take away 9 will give me a negative 5. Right? These are usually pretty straightforward until either the negative numbers start showing up or fractions start showing up. Then they be a little bit trickier, but we can do this. Opposite of multiplying by 10 is dividing by 10. Now, the higher up you go in math, more and more likely you're going to want to leave answers as fractions. If you're in a college level math class, they love fractions. Now, in science, especially chemistry and physics, the higher up you go in those classes, especially if you hit like the college level classes, they love decimals, right? Even in high school physics, they seem to love decimals. High school chemistry, they love decimals. High school math, we like fractions. So what am I going to do with 5 over 10? Well, 5 is 1 times 5. 10 is 2 times 5. Hey, there's a common factor of 5. I can cancel those 5s. Notice the negative sign in front of the fraction just sat there. And I end up with negative 1/2. I won't just go to the next slide. Here we go, finally. I don't know why it was caught up on that one slide, but there we finally get to our grand finale with those wonderful cats.